Ever pondered why you have your mother's eyes or your father's smile? Why some families have generations of redheads or identical twins? The answer to all these mysteries lies within a remarkable molecule, DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA, the blueprint of life, is a complex molecule that contains all the information necessary to build and maintain an organism. All living things have DNA within their cells. In fact, you could say that DNA is the code of life. To understand DNA, think of it as a twisted ladder or a double helix. The sides of the ladder are made of sugar and phosphate molecules, while the rungs are composed of pairs of 4 types of nitrogen bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. Adenine always pairs with thymine, and cytosine always pairs with guanine. This pairing is crucial as it maintains the consistency of DNA when it replicates. Now, imagine a long string of these pairs, millions of them coiled up tightly. That's the structure of DNA in a nutshell. But within this simple structure lies the complex code that determines everything about a living organism. Let's delve a bit deeper into the structure. The sequence of these base pairs is what forms the genetic instructions, or genes. Each gene provides instructions for a unique protein that performs a specific function in the body. Therefore, the combination and sequence of genes make each individual unique. But how does this DNA pass from one generation to the next? This happens during reproduction, when DNA replicates itself. In humans, for instance, a child receives half of their DNA from each parent, thus inheriting traits from both. This is why children often bear resemblance to their parents, both in physical characteristics and in some behavioral traits. To summarize, DNA is the fundamental building block of life. It is a complex double helical structure composed of sugars, phosphates, and nitrogen bases. The sequence of these bases forms the genetic instructions, or genes, that make each individual unique. Through the process of reproduction, DNA is passed from parents to offspring, thereby ensuring the continuation of inherited traits. So the next time you look in the mirror, take a moment to appreciate the intricacy of DNA and its pivotal role in making you, you. The blueprint of life, DNA, is indeed a marvel of nature worth understanding and appreciating.